Have you ever heard of dye migration? You probably have, and you're probably like, what is that? That's because most people do a horrible job of explaining it. I'm gonna explain it so that you understand.
T-shirt help desk.
When you have a transfer, right, this is a standard transfer. Everything is regular like you always see, all right? And when you do this, this right here is an already sublimated garment, right? So there's dye already in it. So when you put this on top, sometimes the dyes that are in there will show through, get it? Migration. So it's moving from one place into something else. And you don't want that, right? This blocks that, because if you look behind it, you see this? This is the blocker, and this is actually called blocker. This regular blocker. But guess what, guys? I can show you better than I can tell you. So let's print and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So we're gonna put our polyester garment on here that's already been sublimated, and check this out. Dye sublimation pretty much only happens with polyester or polyester blends or some form of synthetic fabric, okay? So let's put this right here and let's get to printing. This is our standard one. You can look and see, no blocker. Let's put that right there. We're gonna print this at about 290 degrees, 15 seconds, heavy pressure. Here we go. I peel. And if you can look, and if you can see, especially in this white, you see this like halftone behind it, you can see it beginning to come through, okay? And you don't want that. You want your stuff to be crispy white. So, blocker. I'll take that, put that right there, right underneath. So you get a nice comparison. Let's do this. Same settings, 290, 15 seconds, heavy pressure. Bam. Pull it out. Hot peel. Woo-wee! Look at all of those halftones, those little honeycombs coming through. Oh, no, you can't see it because it's not there. You see the difference? Let's show this under some light. All right, so if you come closer, you can see this real good, right? This has dye migration, meaning that the dye has migrated from the substrate into the print, right? And it just looks kind of janky, all right? This one, nothing at all, okay? Crisp and clean. See the difference? That, my friends, is dye migration in a nutshell, all right? Nothing underneath is coming through your print, right? So remember where you heard it, where you can understand it. This is dye migration, and it's what you don't want, especially on polyester or any type of polyester blend or synthetic substrate or fabric blank, all right? And that's it. I fooled around with y'all long enough. Watch it, rewind it over and over again, and I'm out. Finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Peace and blessings.